Hello guys. In previous video, we are seen this using bettercap, how to capture password, how to write a caplet file, all the things. In this video, we are going to inject an JavaScript payload in every pages in victim PC. So we have seen this bettercap bettercap. So I have installed bettercap. So first we have seen where the installation file is. Going to open folder. In open folder, I'm clicking on file system, user, share. So when I type BETT, so here that's the bettercap file. So this UI, so we leave that. So this is called as caplet file. In caplet file, there is a file called HSTS hijack. Here, using this payload, we are hijacking this and capturing the passwords. So using these payloads. So this is the caplet file working on Linux terminal. So we are going to open this. So we are opening this in a normal text editor. So I'm typing text text editor. So press open. You guys see. So this is the caplet file. So content is text. So if you see guys, set hijack.targets means so it will locate to this location. So let's see. We need to set a payload. Okay. So we say just minimize this and open a text editor. So already I opened this. So this is a caplet. So here is untitled. So I'm just alert. So in JavaScript code, ALERT, alert this. So I'm just typing alert. So just typing nothing, just an alert. So simply typing this, I will type Java, so like JavaScript test. So that's enough. If I open any page, if victim open any page, this code will be executed automatically. So I'm just saving this in desktop. I'm saving this file name as uh, inject.js because we're going to inject this. So I'm saving here. See, so we created a JavaScript injection code. So this is a code. It is just a one-line code. So okay, now we are going to add this code here. So what we have to do is this is called as payload. So we're writing a payload. So here is the payload. So already see there is a one payload. There is already a two, three, one number of payloads here. Already a keylogger, already SSL script. So we need to add one more payload here. So just by so you see just by putting comma and star. Why the star is been used? To run on every page. So this this payload want to run on every page. So you need to use star. Otherwise, you need to give a certain domain name here. So I want to run on every pages when I open. So I give star here and a colon. So I need to know which directory. So I am going to properties. So desktop root. This is my location. So I'm copying this. So I paste it here and then dash inject.js. So if you root this directory here, if you change this file means it will not be work. So you need to give the current directory here. So I am saving this. Let's go to victim mission. Look at here, guys. In previous video, we have developed this caplet file. So I'm going to load this directory, bettercap. So hyphen I space IFAC ETH0 hyphen CAPLET caplet. Then I load this directory by clicking here. See, so root desktop. So I'm just copying this and paste it here, typing CAPLET dot CAP. See, all are executed successfully. All this are. So when I type HELP, so you see guys, your Facebook is running even same. So this all are running correctly. So we have saved this. So we have saved this in a HSTS hijack folder. So we need to call this folder. So what we have to do is net help net dot sniff. So look at here net.sniff.local. If it is true, it will consider package from this computer. Otherwise, it will be skipped then. So we need to consider the package. So we are just opening the caplet file. So just before sniffing, we need to set this become true. So same command set net.sniff sniff dot local local set to true true. So control process to save. So I'm just terminating this SAR. So CLEAR clear. So we cleared this. So typing bettercap, the same caplet. So everything worked perfectly. So next here is HSTS. Pressing tab will automatically complete this. So HSTS, just type HSTS and press tab. So it will automatically complete this by pressing enter. See, all the things were injected. See, the google.com. So if you go to google.com, it will not go to google.com. It go to google.com because the page is not properly saved. So it will spoof the page. So if you don't know this, don't worry. You will see in DNS spoofing area. So you will learn about this. So in this video, we are going to inject in a SQL script. Sorry, JavaScript script in victim computer. So we all set perfectly. So now we are going to a victim computer. And one thing I forgot to say is, if you run this hijack script, okay, HSTS jack script, you see all the payload is listed here. So domain, all the things in payloads, you see our payload is listed here. So every time a new pages loads, our payload will be injected. So see, yes, using this star to inject on every pages. So let's say in a victim page. Okay, let's say on victim page. So I just blur this because, so not blur, I just reduce the resolution because my PC is not that much powerful to run this to Windows machine and Kali Linux machine in single PC. So first of all, I'm doing just opening a browser. I'm just clearing this browser data. Click on clear. Okay, we successfully cleared. So going to the URL, I'm typing vulnerweb.com. See, JavaScript test is injected. So when I open, so when I click OK, press OK. See, next only it's loading. The web page is loading. So this is the power of JavaScript. So we injected JavaScript in victim computer successfully. So we're going to stackoverflow.com. See, it's showing JavaScript test. So it also we are injected successfully. In LinkedIn.com, it also showing JavaScript test alert. So it will be used only in a HTTPS connection. In HTTPS connection, so it will be more secure. We see about this later. So I'm going to Facebook login page. So when I click here, see in Facebook also it's saying JavaScript is injected. So this is not secured connection. Okay. So most of the websites comes with a HTTPS connection. See, that is www.facebook.com. It's not com, it's con, CORN. So in future videos, we are going to see how to change this domain. I hope you guys understand. So we are going to see this by next video. Thanks for watching.